So I'm seeing a lot of boxes already. So yeah, lots of medications. They were not lying about that. Hi guys. So today is April 5th of 2025, depending on when you're watching this video. But today is April 5th, and I want to tell you a little story before I get into unboxing what we have here. So this is my frozen embryo transfer medications. So yesterday, the medications were supposed to be delivered yesterday, being April 4th. The UPS sent, like when they sent the tracking number, they said that the delivery would happen between 4:45 p.m. and 7:45 p.m. I work night shifts and I was going to work yesterday, and my husband already, well, he's out of town, so there was nobody at home to actually catch the delivery when they drop it off. So I was like, oh shoot, I can't sit at home waiting for them to deliver this medication because I have to be at work. I have to leave the house at least 6:05 to be able to get to work early. But yesterday I stayed up until 6:10 before I was like, okay, I'm just gonna start going to work. As I was driving out, I saw it was raining. I was like, okay, well, I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe when I get to work and I'll be keep checking my email. Once I see that the delivery had happened, I'll take permission from work and get home. I live about 25 minutes away from work. I'll drive home, come and get it inside, and then go back to work. That was actually what I thought I would be doing. But then something interesting happened. So as I was driving out, you know how before you enter a street, you have to look left and right before you drive into a street. So I looked on my right. I was like, wait, that's the brown van. That's the UPS van down there. Probably they have my medications in there. I had to drive into that street and then follow the guy around because he was actually moving. I had to follow him around until he made a stop. Then I waited for him to finish the delivery that he was doing. And he came out and was like, do I have $1 million for him? I was like, well, I wish I did. But you have something that I need. So he was like, okay, what is it? I said, my package, I don't know if you have it with you. He asked for my name and the address. I told him. He said, yeah, he has it, but he needs to see my ID to verify. So I went back to my car, got my ID, and he verified it, and I got my package. I was so happy because it was raining and nobody is at home to actually pick up the delivery. So I don't know how long it would have taken him to drop the box outside, and then I'll get the notification. I'll drive home and pick up the medication from the outside of the front door because it's like the wind. It's raining and it's windy. So even though the rain doesn't fall directly outside of our front porch, but the wind might get the water or the rain on it. And anyway, sorry about the story, but I was so happy that I was able to catch him and get the medications. So now let's see what we have in here. Okay, let's open this box and see what they sent us. So we are doing a fully medicated frozen embryo transfer. So that would mean lots of medication. Unlike if we're doing a natural transfer, it's just probably the trigger shots that I would have taken. So my doctor did warn me it's going to be more medication, but at least everything is kind of controlled. So let's see what we have here. So I'm seeing a lot of boxes already. So yeah, lots of medications. They were not lying about that one. So we have the endometrine vaginal inserts. We have one, two, three. We have three of those. Then Luprolide. So I'm supposed to start this one tonight. I'm going to start this one immediately tonight. So this is the Luprolide. I think it's just one. I believe it's like a multiple dose vial. So I'm going to be drawing up from it. Yeah, it's one vial inside it. Then it comes with the needles, the syringes. That is like insulin syringe. So I guess I'm just going to draw it up and inject. No changing of needles or anything like that. Or yeah, so just draw it up and inject. It also has alcohol swabs in it. I really like how they packaged this. Okay, the company really did well. Like you have everything you need. You have the injection, the You have the injection, you have the syringes, and you have the alcohol swab. So everything in is really nicely packaged. Okay. What is this one? Oh, the most dreaded injection. This is the most dreaded injection, progesterone in oil. It is the most dreaded of all the medications. So I have one packet here, then the needles and the syringes to inject. So there are like three vials. There's three vials over there. Yeah, one, two, three. Then lots of needles, lots of syringes. Oh god. Oh, they did add a chat box for me with more alcohol pads and gauze. Oh, thank you. What is this one? Um, okay, this is the estradiol patches. So we have progesterone inserts, we have the leuprolide, we have the progesterone in oil, and then we have the patches. Oh god, yeah, lots of medications. Okay, that's it. The box is empty. I guess we're back to taking injections. I don't really have any issues taking injections, whether it's me giving it myself or my husband giving it to me. Most honestly speaking, I prefer to do it myself, but I kind of want my husband to be involved. So that's why we made the decision. If he's around, he's going to give me the shots. But if he's not around, I'll have to do it myself. I kind of want him to be involved or feel involved. I don't know if that's the correct thing to say, but it's like a 2% thing. So if I'm taking giving, he can be doing the giving. I'll be doing the receiving. But uh, I don't mind. I don't know if it's probably because I'm in healthcare. I'm a nurse, so injections doesn't really fret me. Needles don't freak me out or anything like that. I know there are people that once they see needles or injections, they are already passing out. Like my younger sister is like that, but me, I'm okay with it. I don't really mind. So I'm going to go put this in the box. I have a box that I used for the stimulation pad. So probably I'll have to. Oh, thankfully I have this box, so I'm going to put those in the box and then arrange this one in that box, so it's easy for me to assembly and take the shot. Yeah. So, all right. Wish me luck, people. Thanks for watching.